Must-have kitchen gadget. This is not only a tension paper towel holder, but it also comes with a spray bottle built in. You can easily make cleaners simply by filling up the spray bottle and adding one of the Simple Human cleaning tablets. Then it becomes the ultimate all-in-one cleaning kit, so you have everything you need for a quick and easy cleanup at your fingertips.
This all-in-one gadget lets you easily measure and dispense the exact amount of solids and liquids like peanut butter, milk, honey, and oil, so you don't have to use any other measuring tools. This container lets you keep a bag of sliced bread fresher for longer. You can store it on the counter or pantry and makes it super easy to dispense one slice at a time. This silicone mat can be used as a jar opener, a microwave mat, a splatter guard, as an oven mitt, utensil rest, a pot grabber, and even as a trivet. This sliding caddy is perfect for air fryers, toasters, and coffee makers, so you don't have to drag kitchen appliances across your counters. This under the cabinet spice rack easily mounts to your shelf and gives you access to the spices you need. Plus, it doesn't take up a lot of space and makes your cabinet look more organized.
We're throwing out the old lemon juicer and introducing your new favorite lemon juicer. The unique hinge design folds the lemon in half, allowing you to extract all the juice. It has a built-in seed catcher also, and you can see there's hardly anything left of this lemon. It's crazy. Easy to clean, it lays flat, so it saves you space in your drawers. A definite Amazon must-have.